Welcome back. Let us go through the question. Read the following two statements below carefully and state with reasons if it is true or false. So the first of the two statements is Young's modulus of rubber is greater than that of steel. It is a false statement as Young's modulus is defined as a ratio of stress applied to on a material and the corresponding strain that occurs. As for the same amount of pressure applied on a piece of rubber and steel, the elongation will be much lesser in case of steel than that in case of rubber, and therefore Young's modulus of rubber is lesser than that of steel. And the next statement is the stretching of a coil is determined by its shear modulus. It is a true statement as the force acts normal to the parallel planes in which helical parts of the wire lie. The actual length of the wire would not change, but its shape would. Therefore, the amount of elongation of the coil taking place for corresponding stress depends upon the shear modulus of elasticity.